Hello everyone, and welcome to Studio Silver Creek. In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint an abstract beach rock acrylic painting. To start, you'll need to paint a canvas with tan acrylic paint and allow it to dry. Once the background painting is dry, draw on the abstract rock pattern with a white charcoal pencil. Then paint each rock with black acrylic paint and allow that to dry too. Once the painting is dry, add the background highlighting with a round bristle brush and a lighter shade of tan acrylic paint. Dip the paintbrush into light tan acrylic paint and wipe off the majority of paint onto a paper towel. In a circular motion, scrub on the paint as shown. Leave a bit of the original paint around the rocks to create a shaded effect. Then touch up the painted rocks with black acrylic paint. To add highlighting to the black rocks, dip one side of an angled paintbrush into medium gray acrylic paint and blend it into the brush as shown. Apply the gray acrylic paint to the top outside edges of the rocks and blend inward. Shade the background under the bottom parts of the rocks with dark brown acrylic paint. Apply the brown acrylic paint to the paintbrush the same way you did for the rocks. And that is basically it. In part 2, I will show you how to decorate the rock painting. If you'd like to watch part 2, you can find the video during the last 15 seconds of this video or in the description box below. Part 1 of this rock painting is complete. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel a lot. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.